So now we need to write a program for a small mixer example. Consider that we have a mixer, okay, which have one conveyor. Through conveyor, assume that we have one sensor. So this one we have taken as a sensor one, and objects were moving here. So when the sensor senses two count of material, actually it is falling inside. So here assume that we have one solenoid valve. So we'll take as a valve 1. So this valve will open and it will fill the liquid until this level 1. Here we have one sensor. So once the level 1 has filled, assume that we have another one valve V2. So that will fill the liquid until level 2. Okay, this will be until level 2. So once the level 2 level is filled, then we have some mixture. So this will assume that this mixture will run for 10 seconds. Once this one is run for 10 seconds, so here we have another one valve. So this valve will open so that liquid will leave outside. So just it is one single cycle. Okay. So for that, how to write the program? So here we have counters. Then here 10 seconds we run to run this mixture. Then we have some three sensors. The important thing here is here you need to list out what are the inputs and what are the outputs. So in our case we have three inputs, right? First one is sensor 1, then we have level 1, then level 2, then outputs were valve 1, then valve 2, valve 3, right? So three outputs and three inputs are there. So for this we need to write the program, right? As usual we have added all the modules, right, by creating a new program. And the first thing here is sorry, we need to the sensor, and the sensors are two material, then immediately valve 1 you need to on, right? Valve 1 we take as a q percentage of qx 0.0. This will be qx 0.1, qx 0.3. So in the program, the sensor 1 sensors, immediately we need to switch on the coil, and which is percentage of qx 0.0. Okay. So once this one is sorry, when the sensor one is on, okay, so this one you take as a conveyor output. The conveyor is now on, and so better we not consider conveyor now, just we will add the counter now. So we'll take up counter, and the up counter senses 10 value. So this will be up counter, and here we'll give the reset input 1. So the reset value will take us a, so we'll take 2. When 2 count comes, immediately here for this one we'll give some variable count value. When it counts 2, then immediately we need to switch on the valve 1. So directly we can give the coil, connect the coil here itself. So once it is come, this is a valve 1. Sorry, here we can give directly the output percentage of qx 0.0. Okay, valve 1 is on. So once the valve is on and level it starts filling, so when it reaches of level 1, so this sensor is level 1, when level 1 senses, immediately uh, we need to switch on the valve 2. So percentage of qx 0.g1. So now valve 2 is on when the level 1 is sensors. So next below diagram, when it reaches a level 2, we need to switch on the mixture. That need to be run for only 10 seconds. Okay, so mixer motor, now this mixer is on. There's a percentage of qx 0.3. So this mixture need to on only for is 10 seconds. You can have a branch. In that branch you can have a on delay timer. So this on delay timer we can have for 10 seconds, t 10 seconds. So here we can see the time value by giving the variable. Okay, so after 10 seconds we need to switch off this. So for that, what you are doing, just we'll add some closed contact here. Sorry, we need to add some closed contact. So this one is this t on underscore 0 dot. So the output of this one, and after 10 seconds this will open, the mixer will off. Once mixer goes off, so immediately you need to switch on. Immediately you switch on this actually this t on off underscore 0.q. So immediately you need to switch on the valve 3. So this percentage of qx 0.4. So now that's all, right? We'll run and see the program. So just log in. So actually this one is a program is over. So we would give the correct IP address. So this 180. So we'll execute and see. So working fine. Now you log in. Yes. 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 Now this zero error. Now sensor, when sensors just this one. So debug, write values. Then you go true, debug, write values false, debug. Sorry. So go true, debug, write values. So when QX 0.0, 0.3, 0.4. So okay, sorry, here the application need to be start. that's why it is not updating. So debug, so you want to give false, debug, right values, and give true, debug, right values. When it comes this will on. So now assume that the valve 1 is 1, the sensor here automatically fills, so manually we can give and check. So when this one fills, the second valve on, and now when this one is on, so now mixer start mixing. So after 10 seconds mixer stops, and the mixer stops, second valve automatically will on. Now second valve will on, automatically the liquid is draining.